How to fix Facebook My Day quality on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and you will go to Facebook, and on Facebook go to storage, and on storage go to clear data and click OK, and your problem will fixed. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.